Hello viewers, my name is Aisha. I am from class 7 for Royal School System. This is heart. The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. It pumps blood throughout the body.
It is composed of four main chambers.
The upper two are called atrium and the lower two are called ventricle.
The deoxygenated blood enters through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. First, it enters the right atrium, from where it is pumped the right ventricle. Between right atrium and right ventricle, tricuspid wall are present. From right ventricle, it is pumped to pulmonary artery, which lead toward lungs.
The two pulmonary veins transport oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. From the left atrium, blood enters to the left ventricle. Between left atrium and left ventricle, a bicuspid wall is present. From left ventricle, blood enters in a large amount called arteria aorta.
I think this is enough. Thank you very much.